Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making jalapeno stuffed recipe. Chicken boneless 100 grams. Onion half cup. Salt as per taste. Make fine paste. Mozzarella cheese half cup. Blend. Mix everything. Take a piping bag. Transfer chicken paste. Jalapeno peppers 200 grams. Cut like this with the help of knife. Stuff the jalapeno. Keep aside. Chickpea flour 1 cup. Rice flour 1/4 cup. Corn flour half cup. Hing half tablespoon optional. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Mexican seasoning half tablespoon optional. Salt as per taste. Mix all dry ingredients. Water half cup. Perfect consistency. Dip the stuffed jalapeno in a hot oil. Fry until crispy on medium heat. Now it's ready to serve. It's yummy, crispy, but not healthy. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.